Ukraine wants to buy 5 new Bayraktar TB2 combat drones next year. The decision has been made and planned. Next year, we will procure 5 new Bayraktars for the needs of the armed forces of Ukraine. Ukrainian Armed Forces Chief of General Staff Colonel General Rusan Khomchak was quoted as saying by Armiya Inform earlier this week. Vadym Nozdr, CEO of Ukrainian state-owned Ukrspetsexport, stated few weeks ago that the army was seeking 50 Bayraktar UAVs totally and has a plan to set up a large-scale assembly line in Ukraine. The two countries also want to produce corvettes, motors, drones and air defense systems together. Bayraktar drones and Javelin missiles were tested by Ukraine during large-scale tactical exercises that concluded recently. Particular attention was paid to the integrated use of high-precision weapons, electronic warfare, automated control systems and weapons with the latest technology. Notably, Turkey's success in both Syria and Libya is attributed to its effective usage of drones and EU systems. The UAVs carried out reconnaissance missions without practical strikes on targets, in small tactical group exercises, concentrated missile attacks and airstrikes. During the drills, Khomchak said the drones have somewhat different tactical and technical characteristics, including altitude and effective range. Ukraine's previous Bayraktar TB2 deal. Ukraine first announced the deal for the purchase of 12 Bayraktar TB2 drones for its army in mid-January 2019. Manufacturer Baker was to deliver 6 of these drones to within a year. The value of the contract is not known.